Hi everyone, we have Sanidhya Khandelwal who has just received his IELTS score and he got overall 8.0 bands. So Sanidhya, first of all, many congratulations for getting good scores. And please tell something about how was your experience with our classes, IELTS classes.
Thank you, ma'am. Like Reet ma'am said, I scored an 8 band in IELTS. The class was amazing. The faculty was pretty good, and the test prep, I must say, it was great.
Okay, so Sanidhya, I know that you are preparing for GRE also. So few words about our GRE faculties.
So basically, I'm planning to give my GRE by September end, and there are two sections in GRE. That's the verbal section and the quant section. The verbal section is being taken by Prashant Sir, and he's amazing at what he does. The test prep strategies, approaches are great and actually amazing. And about the math section, the quant section that's taken by Santosh Sir, his strategies and his way of teaching things are also good, and he makes us understand things in ways we wouldn't even imagine. That's amazing.
Thank you so much, Sanidhya, and we wish you very good luck for attempting GRE.